Hello, everyone. I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. Worried about the environmental cost of car repairs? At Arts, we understand your concerns and use sustainable practices to deliver repairs that are both eco-friendly and top quality. Let me share a story about Liam, a college professor who came to us recently. His 2017 Subaru Impreza had a damaged front bumper from a fender bender. Liam, passionate about sustainability, didn't want a repair that harmed the environment. We showed him our commitment to low-VOC paints, recycled parts when possible, and waste reduction. Our team fixed his Impreza flawlessly, and Liam said, "Art's eco-friendly repairs align with my values. My car looks perfect." We're dedicated to green repair methods, using safe materials and efficient processes to protect the environment. From minor dings to collision fixes, our Pomona shop ensures your repair is sustainable without compromising quality. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we make repairs you and the planet can feel good about. Ready for a green repair experience? Visit us or call for a free estimate today. Don't compromise on eco-friendly repairs. Contact Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to schedule your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, sustainable quality.